back again. I told you I'd get him. He's trying to get out the snow. And he about to go and eat that food. See the food right there. My sister be feeding these joints. Told my sister to come out and start recording. She will guessing. I don't even care it's cold. Now I finally got him. That's the woodpecker, young. I've been wanting to get. Look, where he at now? I told you. Little greedy so gonna get up there and eat that food. Come on, greedy. I don't know. My sister be getting them. They got that good food. They got all that nuts and all kind of crazy stuff in it. He gonna let me get them now. That's the stuff went away. He don't even care now. He hungry. Yeah, he ain't gonna do nothing. But sometimes they be 3 or 4 of them over here. I ain't trying to be too loud. I ain't trying to run them off. If I run them off, then he ain't gonna want to go. Yeah, that's cool, right? I told y'all I'd get them dudes, man. Even though I'm out here freezing for y'all. Just wanted y'all to get a little footage and see what it be coming over here. Yeah, that's cool, man. That's so cool. Wish I could get closer. Oh, he's down there now. Look, he back around the burn. He getting snow on. He don't want to get in the snow. I don't blame him. That stuff cold. That's cool. Oh, I'm messing up. Must be out of data storage. Where he go? Oh, there you go. He's still right there. I told you he'll start chilling, man. They be chilling over here. They like it right here. Oh, that's a different one. Oh, I'm getting all the little birds now. I don't know the name of them. I'm just trying to record something. There's another one. It'd be a blue jay coming over here. Robins, because if you buy different food, they'll come and eat your food. You know what I mean? They'll come eat your food. Oh, he flew off. Alright, y'all. It's DCTJ 2024 in the snow. Showing y'all the birds that be coming over here to eat, and my sister don't record it. So I told her I'm about to start recording them. Uh-oh, look. Oh, one just jumped off the side. He was right there. So, forgot they be hiding right there. Let me just check it one more time. Check the food. They be hiding under here. They trying to get off the level. Alright, y'all. Peace. 2024 snow in the DMV.